This procedure outlines the barricading requirements for contractors to follow on the project. Demarcation tape will generally not be accepted as the primary means of barricading off a hazard, and it may only be used as described within this procedure. Physical hard barriers will be used as the primary means of barricading off hazards and hazardous work areas. Physical barriers will be erected to provide protection against hazards and dangers, as well as hazardous work areas and hazardous work in all cases where the danger will exist for a period longer than 8 hours. Demarcation tape will be used to wrap around the physical barrier or in conjunction with the physical barrier to provide additional warning of the hazards or danger that exist and to increase the visibility of the barrier. Barriers will be constructed of material of substantial strength, such as scaffold tubing or lumber. Barricades will be visible at all times where a hazard or danger exists. Additional signs may also be required. Barricades will be removed when the danger no longer exists. All streets, roads, highways, public thoroughfares, and construction roads which are close to traffic will be protected by effective barricades on which will be placed acceptable and highly visible warning signs. Barricades will be located at the nearest intersecting highway, street or road on each side of the blocked section. All floor openings, open trenches, and other excavations will be provided with suitable floor opening covers, barriers, signs, and lights to the extent that adequate protection is provided to employees and the public. Obstructions such as material piles and equipment will be provided with similar warning signs and lights. All barricades and obstructions will be illuminated by means of warning lights from sunset to sunrise. Material stored upon or alongside construction roads and public streets and highways will be placed in such a manner and the work conducted in such a manner so as to cause the minimum obstruction and inconvenience to traffic. All barricades, signs, lights, and other protective devices will be installed and maintained. Three types of demarcation tape will be used on this project as a visual warning for employees. Demarcation tape does not offer physical protection for floor edges, roof edges, floor openings, trenches, excavations, and so on. Demarcation tape will not be used for physical protection. In addition to being used to increase the visibility of barricading, demarcation tape will also be used to rope off low-risk hazards where the hazard will not persist for more than 8 hours. Exceptions of where demarcation tape may be used without physical barriers are where people are stationed outside the hazardous work area to help control accidental entrance into that area while performing short-duration work. Examples include where a crane lift is being performed or where a truck is being offloaded.